Greetings, beautiful ones. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Fran, also known as the Miracle Manifester. I created this channel to help you live your best and grandest spiritually evolved life by bridging, by bridging the spiritual and the physical to manifest and create your best life, whatever that means to you. So I'm jumping on really quick. This is going to be a really quick video. But I'm jumping on really quick to ask you a question. Have you ever had a money date? Do you know what a money date is? Okay, let's talk about it. When we're manifesting and we're manifesting money, right? We're calling in abundance into our lives. Sometimes the abundance doesn't show up because we're not taking care of what we already have. Let's just be honest about it. Sometimes it just is not happening. We're not even mindful of how much money we have in the bank. We don't know how much money we spent. We don't know how much money we truly make. And we certainly are not investing any money in anything. And that's not taking good care of your money. So I have what I call money dates. Let me tell you what a money date is. A money date is once a week. I get my money journal, which is just a notebook. I love to do things by hand. If you don't, you can do it on your computer. I get me my favorite drink, which is usually a nice cup of coffee or a latte. I light some candles. I spray some money spray. And I have a money date. When I am wanting to manifest really big money and big things into my business, I make my money dates very romantic. Let me tell you something. Money is an energy, and money comes to us when we call it. But if we don't call it, then it just trickles in. You have to be very mindful about how you speak about your money, how you treat your money, which is why your wallet should be clean and your purse should be organized. But your finances also need to be organized. How are you going to call in $10,000 when you can't even take care of $10? Right? Right. So you have to be mindful about your money. So what I do is I created a system where I put down everything that I've received for that week, everything that I've given for that week, everything that I've invested, and anything that I've paid that week. So anything that was due, and I usually pay my bills on the first of the month or the end of the month. So I pay them in full every month. But anything that I did happen to pay or do, I put it down. And what I do is I give thanks for my money, right? I give thanks for all the money because I can see all the money. I talk to my money because money is an energy. So just like we talk to our wallet and we affirm over our wallet, I affirm in my money dates that money is constantly coming to me. Money is always coming to me. I always have enough money. Money flows to me. Money finds me. Money is all around me. Everywhere I go, I attract money. Every dollar I spend comes back in immediately. There's no delay in the circulation of abundance in my life. I have gold dust in the air. I am a millionaire mama, and money is always flowing to me unlimitlessly. And I talk over my money, right? I talk about how I want to increase my money, what my plans for my money are in the future, what I plan to do, what I plan to create. I make it a whole thing. And I'm going to explain to you why I do that. Because anything that you honor is going to grow. Anything that you're thankful for is going to grow. It's bigger than just manifesting things. And even if money's not your thing, you can have a love date with yourself. You can have a business date with yourself. And here's another thing that I do. I ask my guides, my guardians, and my angels to come on a date with me because I want to know intuitively what would be my next step to take my money to the next level. When I am doing this with my clients, because my clients and I sometimes will have money dates, right? When we're doing this, I am receiving information from them, but I'm also receiving information on how they can intuitively increase their business or their investments or just have more of what it is that they want. Having time set aside to honor your manifestations, right? Sometimes we manifest and then we just forget to even say thank you. The universe brings us this amazing thing and we're just like, okay, what am I going to manifest next? Instead of even saying, thank you so much for that. I am so thankful. And you know what? Here's another key that maybe you don't know, but you've probably heard me say it. I give thanks in advance. I don't talk about anything that I am manifesting and creating with anyone. No one knows about it until it's done. Because here's the thing. People and different energies may not mix with what you're trying to creating. So if you're going to have a money date, you don't have to go tell your girlfriend, I'm going to have a money date, girl. Guess what? I'm going on a money date. I'll tell you another thing that I do. When I go on my money date, I have my money spray from the top of my head to the tip of my toes. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And my money oil. I tell you, I make my date the whole thing. I put my oil on, my money oil on, rub my hands, rub it down my hands. Smells so good. And I like some money incense, right? Because as I am honoring my money, I'm calling in more money. As I'm honoring my money, I'm calling in more money. I'm affirming my money. And let me say this too. Even if my numbers are not where I want them to be at that particular time, I give thanks that my money is constantly increasing. I live my life in overflow. I am never, ever, ever without money. I always have enough money. Everything that I need to do is provided. I have experiences based on what I want to do, not what I can do or what I can afford to do, because I can afford to do everything I want. Thank you, money, for showing up for me. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for making me more of who I am by living a stress-free, unstrapped life. That's how you want to treat your money. You should start having money dates. You should make it special, not only for your money, but make it special for yourself. And let me tell you this, don't go on no money date with no stinky thinking. I ain't even got no money. I don't know why I'm having a money date. I'm not even going to keep saying those things because we don't say those types of things. We say good things. When you are manifesting, you have to be at a vibration that the thing that you're manifesting wants to come to you. When you're calling it in, it wants to come to you, right? Money wants to come to you because you're thankful for it and you love it. Money wants to come to you. And did you know that it is the universe's job to provide for you? You should be divinely provided for. And that is something that you should speak over your life. I am divinely provided for. God is my source of abundance. I'm a trust fund baby. I trust God to give me everything that I desire and everything I need. God is the source of my supply. So therefore, the supply never, ever, ever runs out. You have got to be mindful and intentional about your money. Have a money day. Let me know how that works for you. All right, y'all. Talk to you soon. Okay. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.